In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sheet names in Smartsheet. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Once you're in, open the sheet whose name you want to change. In this example, I'm working from a project sheet, but the process is exactly the same for any type of sheet in Smartsheet. When the sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen where the current sheet name appears. This is usually in the upper left area, above your columns and rows. Move your mouse to that sheet name. You'll see that it's clickable, and this is what we're going to use to rename the sheet. Click directly on the sheet name area to bring up the sheet options. Depending on your view and screen size, this may open a small drop-down menu or a context menu. Take a moment to make sure you've clicked on the name itself or its surrounding area, rather than anywhere inside the grid of cells. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Rename. This option is specifically for changing the sheet's title. Go ahead and click on Rename. Once you do this, the current sheet name will become editable, usually highlighted so you can start typing right away. Now, type the new name you want for your sheet. Choose something clear and descriptive so that you and your team can easily recognize the sheet later. For example, you might include the project name, a date range, or the department that uses the sheet. As you type, double-check for spelling errors, since this title will appear anywhere the sheet is referenced. After you've entered your new sheet name and you're happy with it, confirm the change by clicking on the Rename button or pressing Enter on your keyboard, depending on what's available in your interface. This action saves the new title and updates it across Smartsheet. You should now see your updated sheet name at the top of the page. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly rename any sheet to keep your workspace organized and easy to navigate.